If you ever thought that you needed flashcards to teach numbers, I'm going to blow your mind. So this month we are going to create a counting box, which is going to give you the tools to teach your child to count in a more natural, easier way and way more fun than using a flashcard. A nature counting box is a box that you're going to use and you're going to collect natural items that you find on your walks or that you specifically buy for them. So what we're gonna have is you can have as many items as you want, but we want to use each category for different pieces. So I have seashells on this side, marbles, glass marbles, rocks, pine cones, and this stuff sometimes we have purchased it, as well as some of them we have found during our walks. On this side I have the natural element of wood, and this was all been purchased at the dollar store. And I also created the rocks that have the numbers. Why is this better than a flashcard? Well, it's just more tangible. They can grab it. If you really plan it, you can make sure that as the rock goes from number to number, it gets better, bigger and bigger. But if not, you could just use the use of color to identify each of the numbers. And what you can do is you can play with this material in a way that you use the elements that you have collected to count and match the number that you have. When they can grab things like this, when they are natural materials, they are more engaged and they will last longer during the activity. Especially if you start collecting this box together. If you start with a blank box and start gathering the materials together during your walk or doing specific trips to the store to gather these materials for your box, they are going to be more engaged because this is going to be a special box. It's a box that's for them. I'm going to show you a different box that I have. Also a counting box, but it only uses one type of material. And you can make these boxes any size you want. These boxes from IKEA are jewelry boxes or toy boxes for storage. So we found these, but I believe they're no longer available. So this counting box only has seashells, and these are seashells that were given to us as well as some that we have collected. So it just makes it so much interesting. They all have different shapes, they all have different sizes, and if you pair them with counting, it's gonna make it way more engaging because you can count how many of these ones do you have. So we have 1 and 2. We only have 2. So how many with the spirals?
What are spirals?
Like these little spirals.
Oh.
I see.
This one has a very long spiral.
Okay, those are called flutes. How many flutes? Look, there's another one like a flute. See how it's like nice? So we have 2. This one has a spiral, so that would be here.
Oh, this one kind of looks
You can also work on patterns. You know, flute, spiral, flute, spiral, flute, spiral. Look, there's another flute. So what would go after?
There's something
Spiral.
inside.
There's a seashell inside.
Spiral.
Oh, flute, spiral, flute, spiral, flute. So what's next?
Spiral. Flute.
Flute. And then,
Spiral.
so yeah, you made up A-B pattern. 1, flute, spiral, flute, spiral, flute, spiral, flute, spiral. What else do you want to count? 3. See? 3. So go ahead and find a box with compartments and start collecting rocks. I think that's gonna be the easiest one you can do. You can do rocks, you can do sticks, you can do seashells, and see what else you can find. And then follow the next video so that you know how to make these number rocks that are going to replace any flashcard you ever thought you wanted to have.
7. 8. 9.